I'm seeing some significant pitting right here.
That won't pass muster. Tag it for remelt.
Bring it down another foot. Steady.
The refined grain structure ensures unparalleled durability and extreme strength under load, making this the most reliable component on the market.
The data from the thermal sensors guarantees the structural integrity of the alloy, ensuring peak performance even under extreme load.
Giant gear, made from raw materials to factory delivery and selling stage.
Quenching hardens the steel, preparing the massive gear for transport. It is now ready for delivery.
From raw materials to the precise CNC grinding stage, we ensure every giant gear meets the highest accuracy standards before factory delivery.
Our specialized grinding process ensures an ultra-smooth finish, drastically reducing noise output.
We've tracked the forging process here, and the initial inspection reports are green.
Excellent. The final delivery stage is confirmed for Tuesday.
Lower it slowly, we're tight on the clearance.
All right, she's bolted down.
Excellent work, run the final check.
Easy now, lower at 5 meters. Watch the starboard side clearance.
All right, bring her down slowly, watch the alignment right there.
Yep.
Clear on this side, looks like it's settling in.
The load is secure. We are ready for transport.
This officially closes the deal. The installation should be seamless.
Excellent. We are very pleased with the final product.